You are watching The Book Club. Every Wednesday, we handpick the best books to improve your life. The 15 Best Books on Investing. Welcome to Alux.com, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. If you're not subscribed yet, you're missing out. Hello Aluxers and welcome back. It's great to have you here with us for another weekly book video. Today we're giving you the best you'll ever need as an investor. Investing means committing money, time, or other resources into financial plans, shares, property, or a commercial venture with plans for expected profit in the future. If you plan on starting your investor career, you should study carefully and understand every detail of how it works, because if you don't, you stand to lose time and a lot of money. Lucky for you, we're making this video to prevent you from going down the wrong path. If you read and study the books we're about to show you, then your success is pretty much guaranteed, as much as anything in life is guaranteed if you prepare well for it. With that said, let's jump straight into this list of the best books on investing the world has to offer. Number 1. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. Kicking off this list with a book written by the late investment expert and founder of the Vanguard Group, John Bogle. He explains in his book how he's learned to turn the stock market odds in his favor over the years. Also, Bogle shows you techniques and strategies on how to make the best out of index funds to help you achieve your financial goals and avoid common investing pitfalls. This little book allows you to sit back, relax, and let the market do all the heavy lifting while you collect the rewards. If it sounds like this is exactly what you're looking for, then you can get the book from the link in the description. Or if you go to alux.com/freebook and sign up, you can get a free audio version of the book thanks to our partners at Audible. Number 2. The Bogleheads by Taylor Larimore, Mel Lindauer, and Michael LaBeouf. The Bogleheads is a simple hand guide for you to understand basic elements from the investing worlds: index funds, mutual funds, asset allocation, and much more. It's based on the investment style of John Bogle, low risk and generally conservative. The book also extends over to financial planning guidance after breaking down all the types of investments. Number 3. Stocks for the Long Run by Jeremy J. Siegel. As the title implies, Siegel is a big-time advocate of the concept of investing in stocks over the long haul. The author provides extensive information on sophisticated methods of investing, which work very well for the average investor and for anyone who's looking for a great long-term investment plan. The cool part about this book is that Jeremy Siegel keeps updating it regularly, so you can stay in the loop with the latest investing trends. Number 4. Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager. This book is a collection of wisdom nuggets gathered from a series of interviews with the greatest investors of the past half-century, millionaires and billionaires from all over. The author explains in a very comprehensive manner that often the best way to learn any skill or occupation is to be mentored by the individuals who are already where you want to be or have got what you so passionately want. Also, you'll find the most common success traits displayed by most of the investors present in the interviews. Number 5. How to Make Money in Stocks by William J. O'Neill. This book is a mix of technical and fundamental analysis, which will massively benefit every beginner investor. If your blood starts pumping when you pick your stocks, then you'll find this book to be of great value, as it skips the general beginner details and provides practical techniques that you can start implementing right away. Furthermore, in one section, you'll find 21 of the most common mistakes every investor makes. So study this book carefully and you're well on your way to making that dream portfolio. Number 6. Reminiscences of a Stock Operator by Edwin Lefebvre. This is a classic, breathtaking chronicle of how one young man managed to amass a fortune and going broke a few times in his career. Lefebvre offers timeless advice that will enrich the lives and careers of all investors. Many people have stated that this incredible page-turner will teach you more about the markets and people than years of experience. Number 7. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. easily one of the most recommended books to beginner investors. This author encourages all investors to keep it simple. A Random Walk Down Wall Street is a highly informative guide that covers indexing, diversification, modern portfolio theory, and some rare assets, all of which you should know like the back of your hand when you manage your investment portfolio. Number 8. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Surely you saw this one coming. Robert Kiyosaki has been an avid advocate of financial education for over 2 decades now, and he constantly preaches the importance of early investing to make your assets work for you. Even though there might be things that are of no interest to you as an investor, they are essential to your financial education. There's so much you can learn from this book regarding income, creativity, how and when to take action, great deals, and so much more that will broaden your vision as an investor. The book is a little bit pricey, but if you go to Alux.com/freebook and sign up, if it's your first time, you can instantly get your free audiobook version of this book thanks to our great partners at Audible. Number 9. Beating the Street by Peter Lynch. According to Peter Lynch, stocks are no guarantee to amass a great fortune because behind stocks there are companies which have to be analyzed before putting your money in their stocks. This book offers you advice on how to become an expert in a company and how to build a profitable investment portfolio, coming straight from the best money manager in the world. What's more, Lynch insists if you apply everything he provides you with in his book, you'll start thinking and investing just like an expert would. Number 10. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This is unofficially called the Bible of Investing. It's a classic written in the late 1940s that was constantly updated to reflect the present market. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, you should go through this book at least once, as it will ingrain in you the basics of investing, along with a comprehensive history lesson on the stock market. Graham also describes investing strategies and how to carefully analyze stocks to pick the right ones for you. Warren Buffett has said numerous times that this is the best book on investing that was ever written, and we believe him. Also, you can learn lots more about him in our special video called 15 Things You Didn't Know About Warren Buffett. Just click or tap in the top right corner to check it out. Number 11. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. The author here focuses more on the intangible features of value investing, such as management, quality, and competitive advantage. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits is an invaluable book that provides you with a lot of insight into evaluating earnings and management, easily earning its place among classic investment books. Number 12. Angel by Jason Calacanis. A book that's full of simple yet actionable advice on angel investing, sprinkled with a little humor to make it even more enjoyable. Calacanis will guide you step by step through the process for evaluating new ventures, weighing the risks and the rewards, and leveraging relationships with angel investors for the best results. Whether you're a promising entrepreneur or an aspiring investor, this book will take you on a wild ride through the ins and outs of angel investing. Number 13. Extraordinary Popular Delusions by Charles Mackay. Published over 170 years ago, this book stands the test of time because of the timeless advice it provides when it comes to the principles of human behavior. Extraordinary Popular Delusions is full of stories dating back centuries that illustrate how people have committed financial blunders many times over. With the help of a well-researched archive of social history, Charles Mackay encourages you to think for yourself every single time and do not let yourself be swayed by the masses, whatever the reasons may be. Number 14. The Dhando Investor by Monish Pagrai. Endeavors that create wealth or in a short Dhando. That's kinda cool, don't you think? The Dhando Investor gives you a strong framework for value investing that's based on the groundbreaking principles of value investing explained by Ben Graham, Warren Buffett, and Charlie Munger. Monish Pagrai says the key to value investing is to make infrequent, calculated bets that have large upside and very little downside. Number 15. The Only Investment Guide You'll Ever Need by Andrew Tobias. In his book, Tobias offers guidance to investors, but mostly financial advice for those with limited capital and want to jump into the investing world. The only investment guide you'll ever need will show you how to thoughtfully manage your money, direct you when and how to invest in stocks, and so much more. Well, Aluxers, that's a wrap on our list of the best investment books. But before you go, we're curious. Let us know in the comments if you have ever invested in something or you're planning to. We can't wait to hear all about it. And of course, for sticking with us until the end, you special Aluxers get a bonus book. Here it is. Number 16, The Black Swan by Nassim Nicholas Taleb. A black swan is a rare occurring event, the consequences of which ripple far off into the distance and result in a paradigm shift. Taleb uses this metaphor to make it easier to understand his analysis of the financial status quo, focusing his assault on Wall Street policies regarding portfolio construction, risk management, and quantitative examination. It's a great read for the eternal skeptic and the average investor, because it'll probably open up some new perspectives for you. Thank you for spending some time with us, Aluxer. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. If you want more, we handpicked these videos you might enjoy, or head over to Alux.com for the best in fine living content on the planet. Be a part of the largest community of luxury enthusiasts in the world and tell your story.